Hey, my name's Cristo Garcia, and I started teaching golf a few months ago. Then in March, I got introduced to Rob Vitelli's work, and I started working with him to build my golf business. Originally, I just wanted to teach some lessons and pick up a few $100 a week, but over the last 6 weeks, I've made about $10,000 in income from my golf teaching business, and this is something I never ever expected. I was just looking for something little to help supplement my income, and it's turned out to be a pretty lucrative business, and I have Rob to thank for that. And if I was to describe Rob, I'd say working with him is invigorating, illuminating, challenging, and also inspirational. So thanks a lot, Rob. I appreciate the help, and I look forward to a great year teaching golf.
Hi, my name is Betty, and because of Robert, he's shown me how to increase my business in such a fast and easy way. I have actually added about $11,000 to my income over the last 4 to 6 weeks. So it's full of joy, passion, confidence, and you're doing something that will help your students and clients grow.
This is Greg from Alabama, and I am in my 10th week with Velocity and Robert. And let me just say, I am more than impressed and pleased with what I've been able to learn from Robert in the Velocity program. Since my start, last 8 or 10 weeks generated in excess of $45,000 in revenue. And so, what I like about Robert is the expertise that he has, the breadth and scope that he has, knowledge, and how to help us golf professionals get more students and make more money has just been, I'm blown away. So yeah, the last 8 or 10 weeks in excess of $45,000. Yeah, boom is right. Absolutely boom.
Hi, I'm Dennis from Colorado, and I'm here to speak about Velocity and Robert Vitelli. I've been involved with the program for a couple months, and it's been over the top, fantastic. Everything that's going from Robert and Velocity into my world is making me money. I've made about $25,000 already using his principles, which are fantastic. Things are happening that I thought couldn't happen. And every day is exciting. I love teaching golf. I love coming to work. And now I love counting my money. So if you want to get some help with your golf instruction program, I recommend Robert Vitelli. He is brilliant. He knows things about golf and about selling that I've never heard of, and I've been doing this for over 40 years. So you might want to check it out.
Hi, my name is John from Arizona. I've been working with Robert and Velocity for about 6 months now. I really like his ideas. Very innovative as far as out-of-the-box type of marketing ideas. It's really helped me grow my business more than tenfold, I think. In the past couple of months, 3 months, my total revenue has been over $50,000, including all the different type of packages that I'm offering right now. So if you're thinking about joining his program, do it. It's been the best move I've made by far in my business.
How's it been, as far as new students and packages that you've actually sold so far and got in the door?
Number-wise, I was talking to Jerry yesterday, and once again, this is only our 5th week here, but the first 3, we only had half of our equipment here, the simulators, hitting bays, and all that. So, and I calculated yesterday, for a brand new business, we are already at 30 to 35% of where I want to be, 6 months to 12 months down the road. New students, it's got to be, honestly, in 5 weeks, close to 100.
Close to 100 new students.
Yeah, I just count up the lessons weekly, and it's crazy.
That's awesome.
Hello, my name is Zach. I'm a golf instructor in Phoenix, Arizona. I went to Rob about 8 weeks ago. Since then, I have gained about $12,000 in income from packages. I would recommend Rob because he gets you going. He's a great coach. He gets you motivated, and he gives you the belief that you can do it, which is really the most important thing. The Velocity program is a group that you can collaborate with each other, and it's a great program to get your business going. So if you haven't done it already, go right now and get started in the Velocity program.
So Nate, I just wanted to, you're brand new in the program. I think you're, second weekend, but you got set up, but you really just launched just one marketing technique that we teach. I don't want to share where it's at or how exactly we did it, but
come on, you can't blast my my post out to your database and give me some business.
Right now, you actually put one piece of marketing out in the last 24 hours.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, and with some of the distinctions that we teach, you use the methodology in the Velocity system to put it together. Correct.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so what's happened as a result of this first marketing strategy that you've applied?
So what's really cool, just here in less than 24 hours, we basically kind of our mode of teaching and our system of teaching is a pretty new technology. So this first post for me was just kind of almost testing the waters with some of the tools that you've given me and kind of the knowledge base that we've learned from you guys.
Right, and tell people where you're at, by the way, and what the weather is like.
So we're in London, England here. Although I'm from California, I'm building golf academies out here throughout the UK, and I'm in London. And there's this term that's becoming very familiar called the beast from the east. Essentially, it's the worst snowstorm that England has had in, 50 years or something like that. So actually, I'll turn the camera here, and you'll be able to see my driving range.
Woohoo!
Basically covered in snow. So not a great environment for teaching this week, but the upside is it's been really good for me to catch up on the marketing. Launched it last night, and what we did is target basically our target market with the Velocity manuscript help. And just in less than 24 hours, we've got 4 lessons booked in for this coming week. And then my phone's actually been blowing up too, which is really good. So lots of great feedback in just this first, half a day or so. So
that's
really
awesome.
exciting. Yeah.
So how many more calls did you get in that you have to return roughly? Just now you've got 4 booked, and how many more people do you have?
Yeah, I've had about 10 calls today total, and then several emails. So I've probably got, my phone's actually ringing right now. I won't answer it.
Show the camera. Does it ring? And show the camera so people can see.
But basically, right there.
There. Okay, awesome.
I just started a Velocity program 2 months ago. And 3 words to describe Velocity, I'd say it's fun. Every aspect of it's been fun. Counterintuitive, you learn some things that really go against what my previous beliefs were, and practical. Everything in here is pretty easy to do, and you can implement right away. In the last 2 months, since I've started, I've made $5,000. Going from 0, I'm a brand new teacher, to 5,000 in 2 months. So I'd recommend Velocity to any coach out there, new or if you've been teaching for a decade. This is going to help you set yourself apart from any other coaches in your area, for sure.